In the beginning, it was Jah and nature. And nature started to manifest in the present of man. But man still no know Jah. Rastafari. No way, no way, no day. No way, no day. No way, no day. Never let the devil lead I astray, no, no. No matter what the foolish man I do, I say, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna trust in Rastafari each and every day, yeah. Whoa, because I know Jah. Oh, yes, I know Jah, yes. Oh, yeah, yeah. There is no Jah, no. But the way them are do wrong now, corrupted and the Babylon are there. They're like the chaff which the wind Jah melt away. Just like the walk, make the forge of fire. So shall the wicked go down in the presence of Jah. Oh, 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 oh. Because they don't know Jah. No. No, Jah, Jah, no. Oh, yeah, yeah. So I will never let the devil lead I astray, no, no. No matter what the foolish man I do, I say, yeah, yeah. I'm gonna trust in Rastafari each and every day, yeah. Oh, because I know Jah. Oh, yeah, yeah. Yes, I know Jah, Jah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. The word from my mouth is like a thunder road. When it touch wicked hands, when it quench their soul. Open my voice, I feel it run forward and sound, yeah. The word of Jah is like a lamp to my feet and a shining light to my pathway. So while you're wicked and there is no place for you to stay. Run away. You can't run away. Because you don't know Jah. Oh, 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 oh. For all the people who stay, you listen, Shadracq. Enough respect to the item here.